Good all, my name is Badger Stove, and we're going to explore the most dangerous places of the safest nature, because this is the Nature Hunter. My brother is mentally ill, which makes it hard to work with him.
Okay, so I know this is a weird start to this show, but my brother is going to scream the mating call of the land whales we're trying to capture. Okay, he's about to do it. Oh no! There's something over there. There's something over there. I heard it. Land whales are near. Good thing. This is gonna help us capture them and show them off to all our friends. Okay, he's going to call out again. Somewhere. Do it. I don't think that was loud enough. You have to do it again, brother.
No.
You'll have to. We're gonna get paid for this. Wait. Did you hear that? Pretty sure the whales are near. Might be able to distract them with this pine cone, so we won't get killed. They are very dangerous. They're the only dangerous thing in this very safe nature. That's why I'm trying to capture one. Brother? Oh. Think something's there. Okay. Oh no. That was a noise. Brother, did you find one?
No.
We'll have to make another call. We might try. Oh no! What was that? They're definitely near. Brother, I think we'll have to leave. But why? The whales, they are near. This is going to end up badly for both of us if we don't leave now.
Okay, I'm going, your master.
Okay. We need to get out of here quick. Oh no! We'll get out of here. There's one very close. I think it spotted us. Brother, wait. I am an unfit person. Whoa! Oh no, the whale got him. Oh no, this is gonna end bad. They're near. Oh no.